Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about diatonic scales and key signatures. First of all, what is diatonic? Well, let's start with scales. That's where we like to start. Let's look at our octave. Between C and C, it turns out that we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 individually named notes. And from each of these 12, we can form a major scale or a minor scale, natural minor scale. As we saw in a previous video, we see how we use these intervals to make our scales. And these notes that we come up with when we follow this interval pattern for whole notes and half steps and whole steps for making major scales and minor scales. When we follow that pattern, we end up with a diatonic scale. And essentially what that means is that these are the notes that we're going to use in our song. So the vast majority of music that you're going to play, that you're going to listen to, is in a particular key signature, and that key signature is made up of the 7 diatonic notes from your diatonic scale. For example, in the key of C, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Sure, simple scale, but so many songs, complete songs, are written just using those 7 notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. There you go. That's the same no matter what key signature you move to. So if I play Mary Had a Little Lamb in C, so I play that in C major, that means that all of the notes that I'm playing are in the C major scale. And if I play that same song in C sharp, and so in C sharp major, all of the notes that I'll use are going to be found in the C sharp major scale. And that works the same whether it's a natural minor scale, or a major scale. Works perfectly well in both situations. So our notes that are in our scale are diatonic, and they form our key signature, and our key signature of the notes that we use in our song. You can find the key signature in sheet music just at the start of the music. You'll see sharps and flats, and the number of sharps and flats will tell us exactly what key signature we are in. Now, those are our diatonic notes, but not every song only uses diatonic notes. We also use non-diatonic notes. So we've got our 12 notes of our octave, but we're only using 7 as diatonic. So the other 5 are non-diatonic notes. The thing to remember here is that every note within the octave has a relationship to every other note. They're all related, even your non-diatonic notes. So they can be used as well. The only thing we want to make sure that we're clear about are our non-diatonic notes, which are also referred to as accidentals. If you're playing C and you have a G sharp or A flat in there, it can be referred to as an accidental. But for me, I just prefer to call them non-diatonic notes. Okay, so I think that'll pretty much do it for diatonic and key signatures. So if you like this video, please like it. And if you have any questions, please put them down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Take care.